Hello, my name is Travis Mitchell. I'm the mayor of Kyle, Texas, and I wanted to take this opportunity in this video to relay some information to you as it pertains to the coronavirus and its evolution over the last several weeks, spreading from what was originally China all the way to most recently Travis County. Earlier today, we had a couple confirmed cases. It's obviously something that has created a lot of fear in our region, and I'm very thankful because many of the members in our community, in particular our leadership at the county level, here at City Hall, with our school district, with our medical professionals in the region, and our emergency management coordinating teams. These groups have really been coming together in a way that is somewhat unprecedented to manage what is becoming a crisis, but that is something we believe we have great opportunity to impact through cultivation of the right types of habits. And so thankfully, several members of our community are going to speak to you now. I want to encourage the residents of Kyle to stay calm. We understand the information is coming to you 100 miles an hour from every conceivable source as it relates to coronavirus. We have put together a resource that we would encourage folks to look at first to confirm when they are hearing rumors of things happening in the city of Kyle. And that website is listed on the screen here at cityofkyle.com/COVID-19. We have also put together some information to deliver to you from various jurisdictions. And those resources will also be available both in this video and online. I want to encourage you also to stay positive. Our business community is being affected by the spread of the coronavirus and the fear and changing purchasing habits of many of the members of our local community in the city of Kyle. And I would just encourage folks to be creative and positive, thinking of ways that you can support our business community. And also, please consider the vulnerable in our population. We have many young students who rely on meals to be able to eat and be nourished every day from Hays CISD. Obviously, as schools close, a lot of coordination and a lot of love really needs to go into figuring out ways to make sure that those members of our community are being cared for and treated. I would encourage folks to use the technology that we have today that has really changed the landscape for how companies can interact with their employees and how residents can interact with each other, and how residents can patronize local businesses and help meet the needs of those that are greatest in our community. So without any further ado, I'd like to allow for some of the members of our jurisdiction and leaders in the region to give you their brief remarks on COVID-19 and how it's impacting them specifically from their perspective. Thank you very much.
Obviously, the coronavirus is something that we're all watching very closely, monitoring it more than daily. We're monitoring it hourly, actually. It's something that is causing significant number of changes to our daily routines here at the school district, to our parents, to our children, our staff members, and there are a lot of questions that we don't have answers for right away, but we want everyone to know that we're working through those issues and we are monitoring it closely. Fortunately, we're going on spring break next week, so that'll give us a little bit of time. We're urging people to take that time to relax, recharge as best they can in this environment, because not only is that going to be healthy for your immune system, it'll actually help in our efforts to cut down on the spread of the virus. One of the biggest questions going into spring break that our parents and teachers and staff members are having is, will we extend our spring break? A number of school districts that were on spring break last week have extended into a second week of spring break. We haven't made that decision yet. We are going to be looking at that, monitoring the situation throughout the week, and by Friday of our spring break, we'll make a decision and let everyone know whether or not we're going to extend that spring break by another week, or suspend classes or have school closures that may even last longer than that. So there are some unknowns right now. This is uncharted territory. This is something that's unprecedented. But we're confident that we have a great team in place that will be able to work through all of the issues and the questions and the concerns that come up, all with the primary goal of making sure that we keep our students and our staff safe, and we contribute to keeping the community safe, doing what's in the best interest of the community.
In Hays CISD, we have a generous community that is willing to help. And I know we have been contacted by many community members, church groups, civic groups that want to help our students. And thank you for thinking of our students. We do have a plan. Our child nutrition will be rolling out a food plan to help our students in need. Students that receive free and reduced breakfast and lunch. However, I know there's more to do, and there are still gaps that we can fill. We have our Hays Hope to Go program that helps the students at the lowest socioeconomic schools. If you would like to help, you can go to our Hays Hope to Go Facebook page and look at our Amazon wish list. We will be providing food for our families in need at our Hays CISD clothes closet on our outside food pantry. So if you would like to help, that is one way you can help. Please reach out to us on Facebook Messenger. We will be utilizing volunteers to put food out for our students in need. Thank you.
Hello, Kyle. My name is Ruben Becerra, and I am your county judge, but I come today wearing the hat of the Emergency Management Director. That is another role I play for the county, and as you know, we are dealing with coronavirus, and it's a very important communication that the City of Kyle is doing here for you. And our goal with this is to have a calm and clean Kyle. What I want to drive home to you is remain calm, remain clean while in Kyle. The easiest way to do that is to follow the simple guidelines that are up on your screen with coronavirus, what to do. Wash your hands often for 20 seconds and encourage others to do the same. If no soap and water are available, use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Cover coughs and sneezes with a tissue, then throw the tissue away. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Disinfect surfaces, buttons, handles, knobs, and other places touched often. That's right, if you have an office job, wipe down the entire desk, monitor, and everything else you touch in that space. And last but not least, avoid close contact with people who are sick. There's a big population in the city of Kyle, and just know that the city, the county, the state, we are all working together seamlessly to make sure you are up to date and most protected. So please have confidence in what we are doing together to have a calm and clean Kyle.
Hello, I'm Mike Jones, the Emergency Preparedness Coordinator for Hays County. We are currently collaborating with all our partners within the county as well as outside of the county in our region, whether it be healthcare providers or first responders. We have protocols in place in order to assist and ensure the safety and welfare of our citizens. Conversely, the majority of the citizens are going to find mild symptoms of a cough or fever. Should you find these affecting you, stay at home and feed that fever and reduce it by whatever medication you get off the shelf. Do not come back to work for at least 48 hours after the fever has dissipated. If you're over 60, we encourage you to go to your medical provider or healthcare facility and seek medical attention. Those with underlying conditions are the most prone to this particular virus. If you need further information, please visit our website at haysinform.com or our local health department website on the Hays County website portal itself. Thank you and have a good day.
Hi everybody, my name is Julie Snyder. I'm the CEO of the Kyle Area Chamber of Commerce, and I'm here to tell you that Kyle is open for business. During the COVID-19 situation, I will tell you that the employees and the customers are always and continue to be the high priority of our business community. And there are many ways that you can continue to support your business through online ordering, calling ahead for an order, or simply staying in touch with them virtually, whether it be a service that you can conference call with for your accounting meeting, or if it's a gift card for a birthday. Feel free to communicate with your business, because we're here and we continue to be here to serve you. Be safe, and thank you for supporting local business.
Hello, Kyle. My name is Alex Villalobos, and I'm the Emergency Management Coordinator for Hays County. Was wanted just to relay a brief message to you and to our staff members of the City of Kyle. We have been diligently meeting with all the municipalities, the school districts, all the staff members, and various civic organizations with regards to COVID-19. Some of the things that we'd like to tell you about is that we've been working closely with the Kyle executive team, in particular for the City of Kyle, and working together with medical providers, county officials, state officials, and implementing various different initiatives to ensure that we are lessening the exposure to our citizens and our staff members within the City of Kyle and throughout the county. We are also working together to create initiatives for our citizens to ensure that the services that they need are there for them as they need them, along not only with the political subdivisions of the municipalities, but also with our business partners throughout the county. I want to let you know that we've been working with this and working with them for the last 3 weeks, and we will continue to do that on a daily basis, on an hourly basis, and as needed to continue to ensure that, number one, that the services are available for you to use, that the services are available for our staff members to use, and to ensure that the services that are critical to the daily operation of all of our citizens and all of our government entities are available for them to be successful in providing those services. Thank you very much, and Godspeed.
I just want to take this opportunity to thank the leaders in the community who participated in this video and in coordinating the information that we were able to put together today. In particular, County Judge Ruben Becerra and the Emergency Management Coordinator and local Kyle City Council member Alex Villalobos, as well as our school board president, Esperanza Orosco, and so many of the professionals who have been working alongside of us to put together this information. Our commitment to you is that we are going to continue trying to think of creative ways to communicate. Hopefully this was helpful, and just stay safe out there, stay calm, stay positive, and thank you for being a member of the community of Kyle, Texas.